What's up, YouTube? Sorry about that. What's up, YouTube? This is Victor from the Let Me Explain show, and I'm going to talk about a heater. This is an oil heater, so one of those space heaters. I had a problem with it where it wouldn't heat up. One morning, it just went cold. So what I did is I turned it upside down, flipped it upside down, left it like that for about 30 minutes, then flipped it back up, and it worked. So if you got one of these heaters, do give that a shot and let me know if that works for you. I recommend that you make sure your heater's got no leaks or anything like that before you turn it upside down, and don't leave it too long. And be advised that I'm not responsible if that thing explodes on you or something happens to you. I'm just letting you know how I worked this out, and if it works for you, let me know. If it doesn't work for you, let me know. I would just like to know, but be careful with it. What I did, simply turned it upside down to flip it back up after 30 minutes, and it worked. So I hope you find this tip useful. This is Victor from the Let Me Explain channel. Peace.